Hey everyone, today I am going to show you the unboxing of the JOYMOOP Mop, whatever. It's a squeeze flat mop and bucket system. So I decided to go for this one because I like that it was a little bit more compact, I guess, and can fit a little bit better than a other version of a mop and bucket. So I already took it out of the box. So this is how it comes. It is with this kind of mop system, which I'm used to when cleaning things in my house. So it comes with this. And then here we have the dry side, wash side, which kind of blends together, which I'll show you here. So when you unlock this, it opens up and you can see that there's two compartments, one for the wet, one for the dry, but we'll see how that works later. Inside you have the poles to extend it. There are two other replaceable pads and then the directions as well. So here shows you the different steps of how to do it, how not to do it. Something that I noticed when using the JOYMOOP mop is that when you place it in here, it rinses in here. You place it in the dry side and all that water goes back into the wash side. So I can show you here. They're both separate. You can see there's a divider between the two, but the water still ends up in here. So something that some people do, from what I've read online, is instead they switch them so that the water goes on this side, they rinse it here, and then they dry it on this side so that it stays separate, if that makes sense. So clean versus dirty. To me, it doesn't matter, but I know some people do care.